Good evening. আজি মই আকৌ Niton Lanthasa channel আহিছো. Welcome back to Niton Lanthasa channels once more. But today I will be reviewing on behalf of Dimasa film called Hum Jong Kibise. So I have seen the film during the lockdown. It is just about 1.5 hour. But this film was a bit different because I came to know the budget was very less, and with that less budget he did the very good work. And I found three things very good in that film. First of all, the song. Secondly, the location, and thirdly, how he handled his camera works. So now I am going to the song part. The song was being pictured very properly, and the scenic beauty of Arunachal Pradesh was so good. Secondly, coming to the Meghalaya. The Meghalaya part was in Cherrapunji and Shillong, which is too good. And in Karbi Anglong district, the Jhansi, which is located in the border of Nagaland and Assam. So these were very tremendous spots which can be explored properly, and our films can do very well. So I can say that within the 3 lakh budget, it was very well tried for the the director itself. Now I am going to talk about the cast, about the film. The first I have seen is Samradhi One, which I have seen in various music videos, but it was his first project as a lead actor. And as a lead actor, I think he has performed quite well in that kind of environment, and I'd like to give him well luck for his hard work in the film. Now coming to the heroine Faimiba. She was an excellent actress. She did many feature films in Karbi Anglong and all. And after seeing our director Anand from the Niton Lanthasa, he casted her as a lead actress for the Dimasa film. But the saddest part of the whole process was that she, after doing the whole film and it was super duper hit, she died of JE, and it was a big loss for the entire industry, both in Karbi Anglong, then in Dimasa film industry as well as Assam. Because if you see one actress, if she attains such kind of stardom and lives, it's a great loss for the entire industry, and you cannot put up the gap which I have seen in various parts of the world, like it may be Bollywood, it may be Hollywood, or even Jollywood. So it is very sad that her long journey was ended in such a tragic end, and I give my condolences to their family and their well-wishers as well as their followers. So give her eternal peace in the long run. And now I will going to talk about the supporting cast. It was done by Ankita Hasnu, the female lead actress, who is in a supporting role. I have seen her act, and it was really good. And secondly, it was Ron Zidong, who is a male part, and he was in extreme job. And like to congratulate him that this kind of film should be seen in lockdown period, so that people can learn more that okay, this can be also done. If you are having a lot of budget, that 1 crore 50 lakh, that doesn't mean. But if you have a good script and his picturization is good, I think it can be done well. So this is an independent filmmaker. I know him. He's Newton Landhaza, and I think he will be doing properly his old works. I've gone through his more YouTube channels and all, and I think his picturization of his songs are too good. I always used to follow him, and I would like to tell you that please do subscribe ML Productions YouTube channel, like, share and comment about it and review it properly. And so if you have anything to say about his upcoming work, you can contact him through YouTube channel. So that's what I would like to say. And if you ask me that how would you rate his film, so as far as I'm reviewing, due to lockdown, I'm taking 5 as the maximum star. So I'll be giving him 3.5 out of 5. So I think as a critic, I have given from my point and okay, because it would also like to develop him in the future films and all. So I'm not giving full. So hope so he does more work in the upcoming projects under NL Production, and hope people supports it. Thank you from my signing out.